How's it going, everybody? You're out and about with John, and we're here at Northwest 9th Avenue here in Portland, Oregon. Let's go take a look around. As of June 2017, construction has restricted views to the east and the west. The real footage that you see in this package was shot on January 7th, 2015. Keeping this in mind, we're going to take a look at a roll-by shot. While working this location, you can expect to find a wide variety of rail traffic. This traffic includes mixed manifests, local yard moves, intermodal trains, Amtrak, and much more. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this look around here at Northwest 9th Avenue here in Portland, Oregon. This is John signing off.